Hello, everyone. So this is what I've been working on. Well, actually, it's a lot more general than that. So the idea is that, you have two objects that are kind of in motion, and I wanted a general framework that would compute how one object would kind of like bore out the other object, what the difference of the two objects would be. So for example, you start with this like bullet type thing. I'm not very good at Blender. I wrote a script that would turn it would take into account the motion of the cylinder and then turn it into it would just add up the entire path of the bullet that it would cut through the cylinder. And then you subtract this from the cylinder, and you can see it cuts these neatly shaped holes. Now, because I set up my code to work with any two objects, or actually any collection of objects moving any which way, my creative process shifted to thinking of, cool and interesting ways to have objects interact with each other. And to be honest with you, this animation is the best thing that I could come up with on short notice. So I feel like this idea needs a little bit more time in the oven. I'm gonna take a little bit more time with it, try and come up with the most satisfying animations possible. So I'll keep working on this, and I hope to see you all next week. Also, if you have ideas yourself about interesting ways to use this concept, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely try it out. I think that's all I have to say. And I will hopefully see you next week. Peace.